severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Wise County in north central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Fairview, or 12 miles northeast of Briar, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Justin, Northlake, and New Fairview. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.